On to Rules of Concord, Part 2. Rule number 8. Now we've got the each, the every, and the no, not or, each and every and no, which is used before the subject. If there's each man, every person, no animal, it is always singular, please. Okay? So every person, in any case, if you see the word everybody, everyone, every single person in the world, if you see the word every, think singular, please. Something just to remember. So every person is in title. No man is. Or you can't have is, then you're going to have to add something else. No man deserves, for instance. Deserves such a terrible fate. Or no man is exempt, if you like, right? Fine. The rule number 9. If you've got two singular subjects, and they're connected by or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, and not only but also, the verb is singular. Because remember, you've got singular subjects, and it's not joined by and. They are singular subjects. So either the government or the president. That is singular, that is singular. And you've got the or neither, nor, is to blame. You make it singular. Then rule 10. If you have noun and pronoun subjects like the following: some, half, none, more, and all, followed by a prepositional phrase, find the object of the preposition. Because the object of the preposition will determine the form of the verb. So how does this work? Now, you've got to remember, you must have the all, the more, the none, the half, and some. And now there's a prepositional phrase. So all of the people, all of the learners, all of, right? So what you then do is you look at the object. All of the men, it's plural, are guilty. Some of the cows, it's still plural, are grazing. You see, because the cows is plural, men, for instance, plural. So just find the object of, and then you can see men are cows. So all of, some of, more of, and these are, of course, for countable verbs. There's another rule for uncountable. This is countable, okay? Two plural subjects. Now, if you've had two singular ones, if you've got two plural subjects connected by or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, and not only, but also, the verb will be plural, and that stands to reason. Because whatever you do, the subject will be plural. So not only dogs, but also cats are targeted. Two plural subjects, easy enough. Now, here comes the problem. If one subject is singular and one is plural, and this is the one that you need to remember because it's slightly different. If one subject is singular and the one is plural, and we've got this or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, and not only but also, right? All of those words, you look at the subject which is closest to the verb that you have to fill in your exam. They'll say fill in a verb, right? Or is or are or whatever. So the subject which is closest to the verb, if that is plural, then it's are, for instance. If that is singular, it is, or takes a singular form, okay? So neither the learners, we've got neither the learners nor their teacher. Can you see that the teacher is singular, right? Therefore, you take the one closest to the verb, is to blame. Either or, neither nor, singular and plural, closest to the verb is what you look for. Rule 13 looks at units of measurement. All right. A cup of sugar or half a cup of sugar is a unit of measurement, right? Well, it is listen to what I'm saying, it is a unit, okay, of measurement. Singular, you can hear that it's singular, it's a unit of measurement. So therefore is enough. Okay, then rule number 14. Now we look at indefinite pronouns, right? They typically take singular verbs like somebody. It's an indefinite. Somebody, nobody, everybody takes singular. It's indefinite. So somebody is to blame. Except, note the exception, if you've got countable pronouns, you, like for instance, few, many, several, both. Can you see that they are indefinite? If I say few, it's not definite. Many, not definite. Several, not definite. Both, not really definite. So if you have those, and but they refer to countable nouns, then you're going to have to look at the singular or plural. When you have the countable nouns like few, it always takes the plural form, because countable nouns, you can say one man, two men, three dogs, etc. That's countable. But for instance, if you want to check, if it's like sugar, you can't say one sugar, two sugars, three sugars, four sugars, five sugars. You don't really speak like that. Sugar is just an indefinite word. So in other words, if it's countable, few men, you take the plural. So several learners, several is countable. You can count learners. Several is indefinite, and are involved. Okay, the last one. Names of subjects. Any subject will take a singular verb, right? Politics is an interesting subject. Religion is a subject not to talk about at the dinner table, for instance. Is. However, remember this one, that if I refer to my politics, if you talk in general and people want to start talking about politics and they say, oh, what do you believe about this? And you say, sorry, my politics, then you're going to use are. So this is one that you need to also take note of, right? My politics are none of your business. Or my mathematics are terrible. But mathematics is a difficult subject.